Hello friend, today we discuss how to convert GPS Excel data to shape file. So let's we start. First, here is our GPS data. Here is GPS data, GPS point, y coordinate and x coordinate and its detail, GPS data detail. So this data we convert in shape file. Here is GPS data. We first we save in Excel 97 2003 work, and write here in name GPS data 97 2003 and save. Close it and we go to ArcGIS and add data. We copy here path and paste here. Here is GPS data 97 2003 worksheet. Add. Here is our GPS Excel data. We convert it shape file. Close it and right click, go to display XY data, and here X field, Y field, we select here X field and we select here Y field. Here select our projection, word projection WGS 9084 and OK. It's converted. We export it to save file. Save file, save and OK. Our data is converted shape file. We change its projection because it is word projection WGS 9084. So we convert in UTM projection. So for conversion we go to Arc toolbox, go to data management tool, projection and transformation, project. We select here input file. We select here output projection WGS 9084 UTM zone 45 north, and here we select our location. Right here final data and save and OK. We add final data, remove it, it's converted UTM zone. You see your data is converted shape file. If you want to calculate it, add field x test and y test and OK. Right click, calculate geometry, we select here degree, minute, second, x coordinate point, degree, minute, second, and calculate y, degree, minute, second, and our data is converted. If you want to see in Google Earth, so you go to identifier and identify it, and here we select degree, minute, second and copy and go to Google Earth and paste here and search we go to exact point. Here is our data, location of our data, its conversion Excel to shape file, GPS to shape file conversion. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss sunlight across the land space. If you want to see particular time zone in your area and your image, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video, and we start. Here is particular location of area. If you want to see this position, you go to this icon, you click here. After click, you see right to left and you see your position. At a time you see time and you see as per your requirement. If you want to see particular time zone, you click here and you write here time. We write here time 1 p.m. You write here p.m. Here you see here and OK. We set here as per our requirement. So our video is complete. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.